Chris is a home expert from HomeServe. Today, he'll be taking you through what to do if your hot water is off. It's no fun having no hot water. To try and find out why, follow these steps. Check the boiler display. A simple reset of the boiler might sort it. Check you have energy and water working in the house. Next, check if there is power to the boiler. Check the display for a fault code. If you have a fault code, check the following. Low pressure fault. If it's low pressure, you'll need to repressurise your boiler. Don't worry, we have a video for doing that. You'll find it on the screen or in the video description. Ignition fault. If you have an ignition fault, check to see if other gas appliances are working. If they're not the issue, it could be your gas supply. Look up the fault code. For further guidance, refer to the manufacturer's instructions and reference the fault code. Try a boiler reset. If there's no fault code, check the following. Hot water is turned on. The boiler thermostat is turned up. Is the timer set correctly, if you have one? Is the pressure okay? If you have a hot water tank, check the pipework around the zone valve is warm. Check for leaking pipes around the boiler. If you find the leak, fixing it should solve the problem. We hope this helps you get your hot water back on quickly. Still need a hand? For more hints and tips or to get in touch if you need a home expert, visit homeserve.com.